Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be doing Rubik's Cube solves and see what my fastest time is after 5 solves. So I'm going to scramble it up first and then I'm going to do a countdown and see what my fastest time is. So. Alright, so I'm just going to do like 4 more solves. Alright, this is going to be my last solve, so after this we'll see what the average is for me. Alright, so looks like my best solve was a 33-second solve, and my average is 44 seconds. So the average for all 5 is 44 seconds, and my top solve was a 33-second. So back when I used to do Rubik's Cubes a lot, I was always trying to get a sub-30, which is basically you're just trying to get below 30 seconds. So I'm going to keep on practicing, and hopefully within the next few weeks I can try to get a sub-30. That's all I'm doing for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.